Good day, learners. Welcome to our math class. Today, we are going to study about addition and subtractions of similar fractions. Let us identify the different kinds of fractions. The first one, we have 3/4. 3/4 is an example of proper fractions. Next fractions, we have 7/2. 7/2 is an example of improper fractions. Next fractions, we have 2 and 4/5. 2 and 4/5 is an example of a mixed fractions, a combination of a whole number and a proper fractions. Next fractions, we have 3/8, 5/8, and 7/8. And it is an example of similar fractions. Last group of fractions, we have 5/4, 1/2, and 6/10. It is an example of the similar fractions. How to add similar fractions? What are the things we should keep in our mind in adding similar fractions? First, add both the numerator. Next, copy the denominator. And the third, express the sum in lowest term if needed. Now, let's add 3/6 plus 2/6. 3/6 and 2/6 are similar fractions. They have same denominator. Let's add both the numerator, which is 3 and 2, will give you 5, and copy the denominator, which is 6. So the answer is 5, 6. Let's have another example. We're going to add 4, 9, and 3, 9. 4, 9, and 3, 9 are also a similar fractions. They have same denominator. We're going to add only the numerator, which is 4 and 3. 4 and 3 will give you 7, and we're going to copy the denominator, which is 9. So the answer is 7, 9. Another example. We are going to add 110 plus 410 plus 610. They are all similar fractions having the same denominator. So, we're going to add all the numerator. 1 plus 4 plus 6 will give you 11. And we're going to copy the denominator, which is 10. So, we have 11 tenths. And then, change or express your answer to lowest term will give you 1 and 1/10. This time, let us try adding mixed fractions having the same denominator. So we have 5 and 2/8 plus 3 and 4/8. So first, you are going to add the numerator, which is 2 and 4, will give you 6. Copy the denominator, which is 8. And then, add the whole number, which is 5 and 3, will give you 8. Or, express your answers to lowest term, which is 8 and 3/4. How to subtract similar fractions? Keep in mind, number 1, subtract the numerator. Next, number 2, copy the denominator. And last, number 3, express the difference in lowest term if needed. Let's subtract 10/12 and 5/12. So 10/12 and 5/12 are similar fractions. They have same denominator. Let us only subtract the numerator, which is 10 minus 5 will give you 5, and copy the denominator, which is 12. So the answer is 5/12. Let's have another example. We're going to subtract 18/15 minus 10/15. They are similar fractions having the same denominator, which is 15. We're going to subtract only the numerator. 18 minus 10 will give you 8. And copy the denominator, which is 15. So the answer is 815. Another one is 79 minus 19. Also, an example of similar fractions having same denominator. Again, we are going to subtract only the numerator. 7 minus 1 will give you 6. And copy the denominator, which is 9, will give you 6, 9. And change to lowest term or 2/3. For our last example, let us subtract mixed fractions having the same denominator. So we have 9 and 1/5 minus 3 and 4/5. You cannot subtract 4/5 from 1/5. You have to regroup 1 or 5/5 from 9. 9 and 1/5 will become 8 and 6/5 minus 3 and 4/5. Now, you can subtract 4/5 from 6/5. First, you subtract the numerator. 6 minus 4 will give you 2. Copy the denominator, which is 5, and subtract the whole number. 8 minus 3 will give you 5. So the answer is 5 and 2/5.